I think there's a number of different features, and they probably appeal to practitioners on the one hand and I think probably students on the other. One of the key features is that ADR, of course, is spread and located in all courts and tribunals in Australia, and it's also located in all the different industry sectors and also within the family and community spread. And really one of the features is that the service brings together these developments and provides informed and very detailed commentary by a number of fabulous experts on each of these areas. And I think sometimes when you look at legislation, clearly it's difficult to work out what's actually going on. And sometimes when you look at tribunal websites, it's also hard to find the information. But it actually collates the information in relation to ADR in one place, and that's very unusual. Most other services, I think, don't have that broad spread and also don't necessarily have the expertise that's been gathered together here. So the authors of the various chapters are all experts in particular areas. For example, you've got registrars of particular areas who are writing in relation to, common practices. And as I said, I don't think you would uncover that information easily or perhaps not at all through a website search or through some other means. I think also another departure is probably that there is a focus on skills and the actual processes that are used, and they're more carefully mapped. And I think that's really in recognition that so few cases go through to a litigated outcome anymore. I mean, it's been estimated that it's between 3 and 5% of cases that are commenced in the court system actually end up in full litigation. And this service is really, I think, a reflection of the fact that most matters are resolved through either direct negotiation or through a form of ADR before adjudication, and even before sometimes court proceedings or tribunal proceedings are commenced. So I think that's the key advantage, is the spread and also the detailed and expert commentary. Well, my passion outside of the law is my family and friends. But I am very lucky in that because of the work that I do, and because I think dispute resolution is much more international, I get to indulge in the passion of travel all the time. And I love travelling. I often travel with family, but I also just love exploring cities on my own and travelling. It's been a marvellous life for me choosing this career, or maybe this career chose me. But it's meant that I've had a chance to work in all sorts of wonderful places, whether it's Vanuatu with the Chief Justice there, or with local people in Tonga, or the United Arab Emirates, or Hong Kong, or China, or Canada, or the US, or any of these places. And I so enjoy the people I meet and the opportunities that I have. So I'm incredibly fortunate, my career choice, because dispute resolution is a truly international field, has taken me in all of these different directions.